From leaves, bark, seeds to oil, every part of the neem tree contains valuable compounds that have a positive impact on a person's health. With its potent antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, neem is a natural powerhouse that aids in strengthening the immune system, maintaining healthy skin and hair, and promoting dental health. Here are the 14 best health benefits of neem. 1. Skin health. Neem's antibacterial properties can help in treating acne by reducing the inflammation and preventing the growth of acne-causing bacteria. A paste made from neem leaves, or a neem-based face wash, can be used for this purpose. The anti-inflammatory properties of neem can help in soothing the inflammation and irritation associated with eczema and psoriasis. Neem oil, which is extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, can be applied directly to the affected areas. Neem also helps to moisturize the skin, preventing it from becoming dry and flaky. Neem oil or a neem-based cream can be used as a natural skin moisturizer. Regular use of neem-based products has been reported to lighten scars and pigmentation as well, giving the skin an even tone. 2. Oral health. Neem has been long recognized for its benefits in maintaining oral hygiene and improving overall dental health. By using neem products like toothpaste, mouthwash, and neem sticks for brushing, one can experience the following benefits. Neem inhibits the growth of bacteria responsible for plaque formation and aids in preventing the accumulation of hard deposits on teeth known as tartar. The anti-inflammatory properties of neem help to soothe swollen and inflamed gums, reducing discomfort and bleeding associated with gum disease. Neem's antibacterial effects help to combat the harmful bacteria that can lead to tooth decay and cavities, promoting strong and healthy teeth. Neem targets odor-causing bacteria, helping to maintain fresh breath and a pleasant mouthfeel. 3. Hair health. This versatile plant can contribute to improving the overall health of your hair and scalp by providing essential nutrients and promoting hair growth. Some key benefits of neem for hair health include: neem oil and neem leaves are known for their antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which can help treat dandruff and other scalp issues. Neem is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Neem oil can be used as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair soft and manageable. There are various ways to incorporate neem into your hair care routine. Common methods include applying neem oil directly to the scalp, using a neem-infused shampoo or conditioner, or creating a hair mask with neem leaves. 4. Digestive system. Neem has been traditionally used to support the digestive system and maintain overall gut health. Neem leaves are rich in fiber, which helps in regularizing bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, the bitter compounds in neem are believed to stimulate liver function and enhance the secretion of digestive enzymes, thus facilitating proper digestion and absorption of nutrients. Neem's antibacterial and antifungal properties may also help in reducing the risk of infections and inflammation in the digestive tract. 5. Immunity booster. Neem has long been known for its immune-boosting properties. It contains various compounds, which contribute to its immune-enhancing abilities. The antimicrobial compounds found in neem help combat various pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, thereby protecting the body from infections. Besides that, neem also helps to stimulate the production of immune cells, strengthening the immune system's response in locating and eliminating harmful invaders. Neem tea, supplements, or oil can all be applied to reap the immune-boosting benefits. 6. Insect repellent. Neem has long been known for its insect repellent properties. Its natural compounds help keep a variety of insects at bay, making it an eco-friendly and safer alternative to chemical-based repellents. Neem oil or extracts can be mixed with carrier oils or lotions and applied to the skin to repel insects like mosquitoes, flies, and ticks. 7. Wound healing. Neem has long been used in traditional medicine for its wound healing properties. Its leaves, bark, and oil contain various bioactive compounds that can promote wound healing and reduce inflammation. It is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using neem on open wounds, particularly for people with skin sensitivities or allergies. Ensure proper usage and dosages are followed to maximize its wound healing potential. 8. Eye health. Neem has several properties that can contribute to better eye health. It contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antimicrobial agents that offer potential benefits for various eye conditions. Using neem in the form of eye drops or a paste may help in reducing the symptoms of conjunctivitis, commonly known as pink eye. Neem's antimicrobial properties can combat the bacteria responsible for causing the infection, while its anti-inflammatory effects help alleviate pain and redness associated with this condition. 9. Respiratory health. Neem is known for its potential benefits in supporting respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of neem may help in reducing symptoms associated with various respiratory conditions. Neem leaves and oil can be used in different ways to alleviate the symptoms of respiratory conditions, such as inhalation or topical application. For instance, neem leaf extracts are used in traditional medicine for managing asthma by inhaling the steam from boiling neem leaves in water. Similarly, neem oil can be diluted and applied to the chest and nose for relief from congestion and sinusitis. 10. Liver protection. Neem is known to have hepatoprotective properties that can help in safeguarding the liver from potential damage. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body and metabolizing drugs, so keeping it healthy is vital for overall wellness. Neem's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help in reducing the oxidative stress and inflammation that may lead to liver dysfunction. Furthermore, neem has been found to prevent the accumulation of toxic compounds in the liver, which could potentially cause harm. 11. Blood sugar control. Neem has been popularly used in traditional medicines for managing blood sugar levels. Its extracts have been found to exhibit properties which can aid in controlling blood sugar fluctuations experienced by diabetic individuals. Neem's blood sugar controlling properties can be taken advantage of in various forms, including neem juice. Consume freshly extracted neem juice in the morning on an empty stomach. Neem leaves. Chew a few tender neem leaves regularly. Neem oil or capsules. Supplement your diet with neem oil or capsules as suggested by a healthcare professional. 12. Cancer prevention. Neem has been observed to possess certain properties that may aid in cancer prevention. Its bioactive compounds have demonstrated potential anti-cancer activities. These compounds have been reported to exhibit antiproliferative effects, leading to the inhibition of cancer cell growth. 13. Stress reduction. Neem is known for its stress-relieving properties, which can be attributed to its rich composition of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These elements work together to help regulate stress hormones, such as cortisol, and support mental well-being. Neem leaves can be consumed in various forms, such as tea or supplements, to obtain their stress-reducing benefits. Drinking neem tea, for example, can have a calming effect due to its natural soothing ingredients. Additionally, neem supplements are increasingly being used as a natural alternative to conventional stress relief medicines. 14. Kidney health. Neem has been traditionally used to promote kidney health due to its diuretic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Some possible advantages of neem for kidney health include reducing the accumulation of toxins in the kidneys, which may decrease the risk of kidney stones. Improving kidney function by aiding in the elimination of excessive salts, fluids, and waste products through urine. Preventing damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation that can lead to kidney diseases. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 8 incredible health benefits of fennel seeds. Thanks for watching and bye for now.